What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video you will find a lot of free education. Make sure to subscribe because every week I share some free education here on my YouTube channel. Now, as you know, I'm mainly a smart money trader. My strategies are based on smart money, but we need to talk about it for a second. Smart money has great concepts, but at the same time, as you know, 90% of traders are still losing money. And you might wonder why they're still losing money. Of course, psychology has a role in this, but also I will say that smart money by itself is not something that makes you profitable. The concepts are great, but by itself, they don't make you profitable. Actually, constructing and developing a system that works and has an edge on the market is what really makes the difference. I hope that you can really find the informations that you need in order to become successful just by looking at my free channel, but at the same time, in the description below, you can find the links to actually join my course. My course, both the 1.0 and also the 2.0, is included with any membership from the monthly all the way to the lifetime, or also there is the option to have some one-on-one lessons. So make sure to check my website and then I'll see you on the video.
See if maybe we are creating some type of structure at all. We are. So perfect. We are creating some structure. I hope that this move breaks to the downside. So we are officially creating some type of structure. We have this high created. Let me delete this thing right here. We have this high created, and then if we break structure, we have a low being created. There we go, what we just created. And now all that is left is breaking this high to the upside. When we break that high to the upside, then we can look for some trades. Why trading indices is more profitable than currencies? No one ever said that. For some people it is, for some others it's not. Do you use wolf pattern? I have no idea what that is. I don't know. So we were looking at, we had a chart on USD CAD also. Which was actually nice. Then we had NZD/USD to keep in mind, these two. Take a look at. And JPCAD, of course. But what is the person telling me about wolf pattern? Like, and never, I just trade my patterns. Never heard of this name. AUD/USD sells above liquidity would be a good option. Only with very good confirmation for now. To me, I don't really see. I see the areas. I don't see the confirmations for now. So just to recap, we're looking at NZD/USD sells if we have confirmation of this area being broken. We're looking at possible USD CAD buys if we have lower time frames confirmation. We're looking at possible GBP CAD, let's see, buys if lower time frames finally give a clear sign that we are changing direction. What is this? I still see like a supply area from here. I don't really see, cannot really see it a different way. Can you tell me what's wrong on this chart? Nothing is wrong. The analysis, I like the analysis, but I don't see like which was your confirmation. You had confirmation yesterday. Today is also another day, maybe. Because yesterday, okay, let's say you had confirmation here, break structure to the upside, you enter here, you go to profit, and then you move to break even. And today is another day. We take out Asian lows, maybe we take out previous days lows, previous days highs. We're still at demand, so it doesn't mean that we are actually not going to be bullish. Now, overall, I don't know if we are actually going to be bullish, but that's just a matter of waiting. We already took out Asian lows here right now. We will see. This is what I have. Euro USD. Let me see. 1 minute or 1 hour? 1 minute. If it's 1 minute, I don't know. I don't really see it that way. We also just took out Asian lows. Yeah. All right. Please check my chart when you can. I probably missed it. You need to send it again. Many messages being sent in the chat. So just to recap, I'm happy that we did the live trading during London session. Just to recap, we're looking for possible buys if we have confirmation on JP CAD. We're looking for possible buys also on USD CAD. Now, if we have confirmation on both, I will not take the trade on both. I will take the trade. I probably prefer JP CAD overall. And NZD USD, we didn't have confirmation. We didn't break this area, but we will look for confirmation during the day. You need to send the link of the chart. You cannot send the image. I cannot view the image. You need to send the link. Here you can see, you go here, you do copy link, and then you send it to me. Okay, good. Where would you look to take profit on NZD USD if supply fails? What is this? NZD CAD looking for sales. From up here, right? I think 85.63, 85, yeah, 63 from up here. Overall, I would say that the downtrend is really from here to here. So this could really hold and you can really have sales from here. But we also need to remember that you're looking at the 3 minutes, you're not looking at the bigger picture. I would, instead of using a pending order, if I wanted to look at that area for possible sales, I would drop to the 1 minute and look for confirmation on the 1 minute. Please show session indicator settings. They are in the course. Copy the settings right here. Euro USD. Yeah, actually, I like it overall. Maybe I will look at this demand first, based on Asian range, but we will see. I'm more interested in GBCAD for now. Yesterday trade. Then let me see. So this I can understand. A stopping on this one after breaking the previous lows and you look for an entry. I can understand that. This not really. Everything failed at that point. You were just chasing the market at that point. We had this higher supply, but look, we break everything, we retrace, and it's clear retest of demand to continue. Look at the bigger picture always. Your GPY from supply. Yes, I like the supply. As I said during the video, there are higher supplies too that you should keep an eye on. The reason why is because this breakout structure comes from this move, and this move has 3 supplies in it: this supply, and higher supply. Now I will either trade from this one, which is the decisional, or from the extreme. Did confirmation happen on GBP CAD? To me, yes. To me, this is internal confirmation, so risky confirmation. Of course, we need to understand that we are in a downtrend. We are overall in a downtrend, both on 5 minutes until we break here, and also 1 hour. But if I have to look at minor confirmation, internal confirmation, this is confirmation for me. NZD CHF, no, I don't like this supply. This supply is a supply against the trend, while we are clearly bullish for now. So for now, thank you for connecting. This is all for this live. I will send the chart of GBCAD in the Discord, and stay tuned. I'll see you next time.